This is Alard item Y5550, a Bach North Star engineered product model HW2600. HW stands for helical washer. It is what we at Alard Equipment call a turbulent washer, which means it has water jets. It's kind of like a jacuzzi for your leafy vegetables. There are water jets in here that push the water in a spiral or helical motion, giving it a gentle but thorough and agitated wash so that you get all the dirt and bugs and things like that off your wonderful, tender, leafy baby spinach or spring mix or whatever leafy goodies that you've got. Or other things. You could put diced product or whole product through here. I mean, there's other things you can put in here that would get stirred around and washed very nicely. As you can see, there is the turbulent wash tank that overflows. There is a catch tank with a screen under here, a recirculation and surge tank, and there is a open weave discharge conveyor belt, which helps also to drain the product off. You would go from this product to a centrifugal dryer, well, depending on what you're running and what your process is. But if you have questions, give us a call at 315-589-4511 here at Alard Equipment, and we will talk about your specific pre-cut produce and fresh cut fruit and vegetable processing application. Just for the record, the turbulent wash tank is 20 inches wide by 66 inches long by 24 inches deep. It has 7 water jets arrayed around the sides, and at the in-feed end there's 3 more. I don't know if you can see that one under the overflow there. It has I think I got it here, 16 inch wide by 91 inch long discharge belt with an in-roller drive, which is kind of nice. And of course there's the recirculation tank I already talked about underneath, and a 3 horsepower recirculation pump. We just did a nice job of cutting some beautiful lettuce here on a nice Herschel translicer cutter over there, just so we could show you this lettuce going through this washer. So we'll go ahead and get her going here. As you can see, there's a spiral flow of the water so that the product is submerged and thoroughly washed, and it goes down through as it goes through that sort of spiral and comes out on the discharge conveyor. I should mention we didn't core this lettuce before we cut it. You might core yours before you cut it, or you might grate it out later in the process. Again, that's up to you. We have equipment for however you want to do it. Again, give us a call at 315-589-4511 to talk about what equipment you need for your particular food processing application. So you can see that everything is in order in the cabinet, nice and clean and straightforward. There's a little expansion room there in case you want to run something upstream or downstream. It has these operator controls here on the outside, including an emergency stop and a lockout. There's the recirculation pump. It has all the necessary drains. It is on casters, locking casters, so it is portable. Don't try and move it when it's running, obviously. But pretty much, there you have it. It is Alard item Y5550. It is a Bach North Star engineered product, helical washer, model 2600 or HW2600. As you can see, it is in excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition. In stock and available for immediate shipment from Alard Equipment Company in Williamson, New York.